lip scrub that I just recorded it last night, and there were a few things that I didn't like about it. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Basically, it was just whatever item you had in your fridge or whatever item you had in your pantry. And the items that I use, which you guys will see, whatever was in my kitchen. So I can't stress that enough. You do not have to go buy this unless you don't have this, but I used whatever was in my pantry. Okay? Or chapstick or lip balm of your liking. Now for me, as far as my choices of what I would use and why I did use shea butter, the reason why I use shea butter is because it's a moisturizer and it prevents your lips from being dry or cracked. And also coconut oil is also a moisturizer and also prevents your lips from being dry or cracked. And then coconut oil is actually a healing ointment as well. So that's another reason why I would use either one of the two. So I really don't care for like chapsticks or lip balm. The other thing, anything besides those two that I would use on my lips, I would use probably some petroleum jelly. And the petroleum jelly that I would particularly use for my lips, and probably what I have on now, is Aquaphor. I believe it's healing ointment, but you can also use it for diaper rash and stuff. So I have a baby, which is why that is handy. But yes, Aquaphor is really good as well too. So any type of ointment like that is really good for your lips because it's a very sensitive area. If you don't want to make your own lip scrub, I know Elf has a really good lip exfoliator, and it's really cheap. And that can be found in Target. I don't know if they have it in Walmart, but I know Target has. So, because I always forget things and I don't want to forget anything or leave anything out of this video, which is why I'm adding another addition, doing this video and adding it to the video that I already did. So, exfoliating your lips does not make your lips big. So if you are concerned about that, take it from me, someone that has really huge lips. Exfoliating will not, and I can't stress that enough, it will not make your lips big.
So the items right here are Blossom Honey, and this is 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The brand is Domino. And my 1 tablespoon of sugar is store-bought brand. Wasn't like a particular brand. So whatever brand you want to use, you can use those items. This bowl here to mix everything inside because I don't have a little container to keep it inside, so I have my Tupperware container to keep my rest of my lip scrub inside. Mixing everything in this bowl, regular spoon to mix everything together. Going to pour my brown sugar inside this container, then I'm going to pour my sugar inside, and then I'm going to scoop the brown sugar or the honey inside this container. And then I'm going to
I'm going to use my finger to apply it. And it tastes pretty good. I'm going to spread this over my lips. This is really good. I don't even know if I need to clean it off. You know what? I'm just lick it off. Tastes like oatmeal. Oh yeah, guys, this is edible. If you didn't know. This is really good. I don't know if I want to use it for my lips. I and use it for something else. But after I exfoliate, I'm going to go in with my witch hazel and just clean out that surface. And I'm going to be using my cotton round to do that. Even though I just licked most of the stuff off my mouth, but you know, whatever. And witch hazel can be used as a disinfectant also. And then I'm going to go in with my shea butter as a moisturizer. Yeah, just gonna use that. Maybe I didn't need this much, but my lips are big, so it won't go to waste. And I could probably use the rest of it to rub on my face. Come out there, look a little dry. Oh, that is pretty much it, and my lips look. Don't forget to like, comment down below, tell me what you think, and tell me if you're going to be using this product. Tell me if the product worked for you, you saw major benefits. Until next time, you guys stay sweet, be blessed.